Think happy, be happy.
The Princess Promise.
King Narendravardhan had a beautiful daughter Jayashri. One day she had gone for hunting into the forest. She entered deep into the forest and was lost. She was scared. She climbed up a tree and looked far and wide. She saw fire ablazing far away in the forest. She went towards it and climbed a tree. She saw a pair of ducks with their ducklings. As the fire came closer, the drake flew away from there, leaving the ducklings and the duck. On the other hand, the mother duck covered her ducklings with her wings. Princess Jayashri was watching everything from the treetop. She said to herself, all males are the same, whether they are animals, birds or humans.
Hence from today I shall never keep any relation with any male in the world. In fact, I shall never marry. Just then the soldiers came looking for her. With their help she came down and rode back to the palace. After coming from the forest, Jayashri's attitude was completely changed. She remained very quiet in her room. Her parents were worried to see this. One day the queen asked her about her behavior. She told her about the incident in the forest. With that she also told her that she will never marry anyone. Her parents were very upset with her decision. One day an artist came to the palace. He made a beautiful portrait of the king and his queen.
The king was highly impressed. He invited him to stay in his palace as a royal guest. One day he saw the princess strolling in the lawn. He was taken aback by her amazing beauty. He asked her, "Can I paint your portrait?" Princess Jayashri refused initially, but when the artist requested her many times she agreed. So the painter made a very beautiful portrait of the princess. Once the portrait was complete, he left the palace with the princess portrait without informing anybody. He sold the portrait to the king of a neighboring kingdom. The king hung that portrait on the wall of his royal court. When the prince of that kingdom saw the portrait, he was fascinated by her beauty. At once he ordered his minister, "Go and find out about this beautiful lady."
The minister inquired everywhere about the girl in the portrait, but he did not succeed. The minister was scared that he could be punished by the prince. The minister had a daughter whose name was Simran. She was very beautiful and intelligent. She told her father, "Don't worry. I shall do something." She went to the prince and asked him to give the portrait. With the portrait she went to many kingdoms in the neighborhood. At last she reached Princess Jayashri's kingdom. Here she came to know about the princess' vow of never marrying. Simran was also an artist, so she met the king and took his permission of painting their portraits. The king agreed. When Simran completed the portrait, the king was very impressed. He invited her to be his guest for a few days. While staying in the palace, she became friendly with the princess. One day Simran asked Princess Jayashri, "What made you to vow never to marry?"
The princess told her everything she saw in the forest. After listening to her story, Simran made a plan. She made a picture in which a prince is sitting on a tree. The jungle is on fire and a deer is trying to save his fawn from fire while the doe is trying to escape from there, leaving the fawns behind. She showed the picture to the princess, who became very angry. She scolded Simran, "What do you want to prove? I am wrong." Simran replied, "No princess, it's not so. I made this picture on demand from my prince. He told me about his true experience and asked me to draw. Now you can make out from this picture that not only males but females can also be selfish and self-centered." Now Jayashri understood her mistake. She embraced Simran in excitement. She married that handsome prince and they lived happily ever after.
Please subscribe my channel and encourage me to upload more videos.
Like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell icon and never miss another update.